Is your Speedo not working on your Harley, American V-Twin, chopper, what have you? I'm going to show you a couple easy tests that you can perform at home to either confirm or rule out your Speedo sensor. My name is Bo Sutton of Brand X Design, and this is Bad Teeth Builds.
Got no teeth, got no beef, got steel on my mind. Weld it, burn it, turn it. Bad Teeth Builds, steel before smiles.
Okay guys, here we are. So if your Speedo isn't reading, you're not getting miles per hour while you're riding, chances are it's your speed sensor. Your speed sensor should look something like this, and it bolts in to the top of your transmission, okay? It's a Hall effect sensor, so that means that every time that gear passes around it, magnet inside of it sends voltage to the speedometer to show speed, okay? So there's a couple things you can do, real easy tests you can do at home to find out if your old sensor isn't working. Okay, so this is a 2001 Bourget Python that was just brought in yesterday. If you work on bikes, or if you work in a shop, you know that most of the time when bikes like this, American Iron Horses, Titans, all of those bikes from that era show up, usually they've been messed with, usually the electronics suck on them, and they're just a general pain in the butt to deal with. But in this case, well, the wiring sucks on this. Somebody's been messing with this wiring and wired it in all janky. But what I'm going to do, I know this Speedo sensor is bad, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple tests that are going to confirm this or rule this out. So first thing you want to do is you typically got your black wires are ground, your red wires are 12 volt switch power, and your white wire is your signal wire. So what you want to do is you want to take your multimeter, all right, have it set to DC volts, and get these untangled. And what you want to do is you want to confirm that you have 12 volt switch voltage. So we're just going to put our ground clamp there, and we're going to put our power clamp on the red wire, okay? Right now, let me bring the camera in. Right now, that meter shows 0 volts, okay? When I flip the switch on, look, we've got power. We've got power going to the sensor, right? So what we have to do now is we have to figure out if we're getting signal from this white wire. And again, this is just for video purposes. I'm trying to make things as clear as possible. This is actually how the bike came in for the most part. So I got to fix all this wiring. But for now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you a nice, easy test for this. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our power wire off, and we are going to, our lead off, and we're going to put it on this white wire. This white wire right here. That's your signal wire. And what we want is, what I have is I found an old gear, and I'm using my drill, and look at that. So I am going to recreate that transmission gear. I'm going to simulate that. So you should, most meters, if you have a Hertz meter or something like that, that'd probably be the best way to go. But as far as voltage goes, most meters are just not fast enough to keep up with it. You need to see some movement. You need to see some movement right here. So now you want to hold it relatively close. Focus this, there we go. You want to hold it relatively close, and you want to spin it next to it. There's no movement, none, 0. You should get some fluctuation. It doesn't matter what it is, some fluctuation. And you would also be able to see, on the speedometer that it isn't working as well. So you can jack up the rear tire and you can spin the wheel, but you're just not going to be able to spin it fast enough. to really get a good reading. So now what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect these leads, and we're going to disconnect the old Speedo sensor, and this is again just for purposes of illustration here for the video. And we are going to, let me move this. All right. We're going to hook up a known good Speedo sensor. This is a brand new Speedo sensor. So we are going to hook that up again, white to white, black to black, red to red. And generally that is the, on American V-twins, generally that is the wiring for a Speedo sensor. Again, just find an old gear. It doesn't matter what it is. Put a bolt through it, put it in your drill, and that will simulate the transmission gear passing by. So, there we go. We have our wires hooked up. Again, we're going to do the same exact tests all in a row. Get this cord out of the way. Same exact tests all in a row. We're going ground to ground, power to power. We're going to flip this key switch, and boom, there's your power, just like the other one, right? So now, again, we're going to move this. We're going to move this red lead and put it on the signal. Now, like I said, remember, you just need to see some movement here, okay? So now we have power. We have the power on again. And right now, I'm getting a solid 5 volts from that Speedo sensor, which is exactly what I should get. Look at that, different speeds. Check that out. All right, and we're gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna move this camera so you can see the speedometer. There's the Speedo. And with my fancy little tool here, look at that. Speedo works. Go slow, go fast. See? Just like that. So now you know that is the quickest and the easiest way to check out if you have a bad Speedo sensor or you have a good Speedo sensor. Simple, easy peasy. How long did that take me? A couple minutes, and that was, most of it was explaining stuff to you guys. So anyway, please like, subscribe, share, send smoke signals, do what you got to do. Please, please, please let people know. Subscribe to me, share, comment below. If I do something goofy, or if I mess up something, or you're happy about the video, you appreciate it, please, anything. I appreciate any comments, all the likes, all the subscriptions, everything else. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time on Bad Teeth Builds, Steel Before Smile.
Got no teeth, got no beef, got steel on my mind. Weld it, burn it, turn